Welcome to the guide to Revolut batch payments. This tutorial will walk you through the process of making multiple payments at once using Revolut. To get started, you need to have a Revolut business account and access to the Revolut website or mobile app. Batch payments allow you to pay multiple recipients with a single upload, saving you time and effort. First, log into your Revolut account and navigate to the Payments section. Click on Batch Payments and then select New Batch Payment. You will be prompted to upload a CSV file containing the payment details. The CSV file should include the recipient's name, account number, sort code, and the payment amount. You can download a sample template from the Revolut website to ensure your file is in the correct format. Once you have uploaded your CSV file, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. You can also add a reference or note to each payment for your records. After verifying the payment details, confirm the batch payment. The payments will then be processed and the recipients will receive the funds. It is essential to ensure the accuracy of the payment details to avoid any errors or delays. Double-check the recipient's account information and the payment amounts before confirming the batch payment. Revolut also provides a payment approval feature, which allows you to require approval from a colleague or manager before the payments are processed. This adds an extra layer of security and control to your batch payments. In conclusion, Revolut batch payments are a convenient and efficient way to make multiple payments at once. By following these steps and best practices, you can streamline your payment process and save time. Remember to always verify the payment details and take advantage of the payment approval feature to ensure secure and accurate transactions.